The power of data, energy, monitoring, and analytics. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to energy efficiency. Energy monitoring and analytic tools give you an X-ray vision into your HVAC system's performance. They track energy used in real time, identify efficiencies, and even predict future issues. This data empowers you to make informed decisions, optimize your system, and cut costs. Some buildings have achieved energy savings of up to 20% just by acting on this data. It's like having a crystal ball that shows you exactly where you have to save your energy. Ready to unlock the power of HVAC data? Contact Campbell Mechanical Services to get started today.